You paid in $240,000. The fees took $354. More than everything you ever put in. Gone. Not to a crash, not to a bad decade, to a percentage. The fee you agreed to was 1%. Everything else about investing got cheaper. That didn't. Start with the good news. It's real. Investing genuinely got cheaper. The average American fund now costs 0.32% a year. It fell again last year, quietly. Almost nobody noticed. So the funds came down, the advice didn't. 1% is what it was. 1% is what it is. The research finds no meaningful fee compression at all. The cheap layer got cheaper. The expensive one never moved. You're not paying one fee, you're paying a stack. The advisor takes 1% of everything you own. Not of your gains, of everything. Every year, whether it grew or not. Then the funds they put you in take theirs. For active funds, another 0.58 on average. Over 1.5% before anyone has done anything clever. And here's the question nobody asks. If you're paying a premium for advice, does it at least buy you cheaper funds underneath? Britain's regulator measured that directly. It's the only one that ever has. No evidence. None. 1.5%. Say it out loud and it sounds like nothing. $500 a month. 40 years. 7% growth. Do it yourself in an index fund, 1.2 million. Pay the stack, 852,000. A gap of 354,000 on contributions of 240. That sounds impossible. It isn't. Because the fee doesn't take your dollar, it takes everything your dollar would have become. A dollar taken at 30 had 35 years of growing left in it. That's the whole, not the fee, the compounding you never got. And before you argue with the 7%, we ran it again. At 5, the fees take 27%. At 8, 30. The growth rate barely matters. The percentage does. None of this is illegal. And good advice can be worth paying for, but almost nobody adds it up because nothing ever puts the numbers on one line. So put them there. Tonight, 15 minutes. Your fund's expense ratio. It's on the fact sheet. Your advisor's fee. It's in the agreement you signed. Your plan's admin cost. It's on the annual disclosure. Add the 3. That number decides what a third of your life savings is worth. You signed for it at 25. You find out at 65. Now you know to look. Money, markets, power, AI.